Have you ever thought, what if the objects that we use every day had never existed? For instance, that beautiful car you ride in towards the sunset, or the refrigerator that keeps your food fresh, the diamond ring you bought for the one you love, that cell phone that you just can't put down, and many, many more. What if they hadn't existed, but they do? How? TEZMAKSAN, founded by Mustafa Aydoğdu in 1981. And since then, it's been the leading name in Turkey for the sale of CNC machines and universal machine tools. Located in Bayrampaşa, Kıraç, and Istanbul Trakya Free Zone with a total indoor space of 45,000 meters squared, 150 expert staff, production and service for 81 cities and more than 8 countries. Supplying 17% of Turkey's demand for machine tools. Moreover, in the machining business, TEZMAKSAN is one of the 5 biggest companies in Europe, as well as the market leader in Turkey. Representing and collaborating with top-line brands such as Mitsubishi, FPT, Goodway, Dali, First, Supertech, Brother, Toyota, Roders, Takamas, Herkul, SNK, Mitsui Seiki. With its quality and powerful product conception, TEZMAKSAN connects its customers with global brands. With Kapasitematik, the unique software designed for customers by TEZMAKSAN's groundbreaking R&D team, things are faster and more productive than ever. With this software, business owners are able to follow the operation and runtime of their machines remotely with their smartphones and tablets from anywhere they can access the internet, thereby avoiding unforeseeable losses and raising revenues. Aiming to advance craft knowledge and skills, TEZMAKSAN founded TEZMAKSAN Academy as part of its social responsibility project. And TEZMAKSAN has been implementing seminars and training sessions under the body of TEZMAKSAN Academy at its headquarters in Bayrampaşa, Ankara, and Izmir for students from vocational high schools, 2-year and undergraduate degree programs with the slogan, "Careers Start With Us." Always concerned with the benefit of its customers, TEZMAKSAN offers leasable technology to its customers for easy business solutions that allow them to access today's technology while giving new energy to business and contributing to the evolution of the Turkish economy. TEZMAKSAN, which never hesitates to invest in new technology, makes all the difference in 3D modeling and production concepts with its 5-axis technology and proves the efficacy of the technology with unbelievably realistic models. Furthermore, with robotic automation, CNC operator staffing, CNC spare parts, and maintenance and general technical service all over Turkey, it keeps customer satisfaction in focus. By bringing the largest number of CNCs to Turkey, stocking the largest number of CNCs, being the first to use the CRM as well as the first to allow remote machine control, TEZMAKSAN has proven its success with national and international awards. 1999 Goodway Golden Success Award, 2007 Mori Seiki Asia Sales Second Prize, 2010 Goodway Excellence Award, 2014 Brother Europe Sales First Prize, 2014 Toyota Bestseller Award, 2015 Mitsubishi Europe Bestseller. Following the world closely with its seminars it holds and fairs it participates in, TEZMAKSAN keeps its finger on the pulse of business by introducing projects and technologies it's developed. From automotive to molding, from defense to aviation and machine production, and offering services for a variety of businesses, TEZMAKSAN keeps progressing with its new technologies, sensitivity, and rational solutions. With a sustainable growth mentality, TEZMAKSAN will continue to be an innovator and leader in business. TEZMAKSAN, let's produce together for Turkey.